Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Looks like it got a CP train headed east, and it's got a special locomotive on it. Look at that. SD70ACU in the nice CP colors. August 30th, 2022. Looks like this one's got more mixed freight than double stacks. So of course I'm here at Dorval. With some gray skies. I haven't seen SD70ACU in the heritage colors in a very long time, actually. Probably the first time in months. So that makes it worthwhile coming here at about 4:45 p.m. Again, it's August 30th, 2022. A lot of boxcars and mixed freight, much more than the usual, double stacks. And that's going to be the end of the train soon, I think. I don't know. I thought so. But more double stacks. They're all at the end. Oh, they're mixed throughout. This one's kind of an unusual train. Rather than the big blocks of double stacks, they've been sprinkled out throughout the train. And here the sun is just coming out again. That's a grimy unit. This one's going to be a lot of auto racks. There they are, gleaming in the sun under some dark skies that are coming in. I'm almost half expecting something to come on CN too. Haven't seen a CN train yet, or a VIA train yet. Something's about due. And the end of the train is coming up here. So maybe this will be a single train video and not a 2-for-1. There it is. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.